I want to talk about this Ramson Nouah film, Ramson Nouah's film, sorry, on Igbo land. Please, Ramson Nouah should avoid anything Igbo. Please, some of you will not understand why talking this way. If you could remember vividly, there's a film he directed, and that was the Living in Bondage. Do you watch that film? For those that watch that film, you see how he painted Igbos as those that make money by doing rituals. This film now, Igbo Lande, I won't be surprised if Ramsino distorts this history. I do not like, I'm not comfortable with people who are not Igbos acting our, especially in Nigeria, where there's a lot of tribalism, nepotism, and everything. I'm not comfortable with somebody in a Nigerian act who is not an Igbo person acting or directing a film concerning Igbos. There's always that detail. And if you even it's not like the Yorubas are not guilty of ritualism, ritual and all that kind of thing of illicit way of making money. We know the hush puppy who is not he's not a Yoruba person, but nobody his matter is not loud because he's not an Igbo person that is in US prison. Many of them are into this nonsense. Yet they will leave their own matter. It's always Igbo land there. Tomorrow nobody knows what he will do. Every time when someone wants to draw a familiar want to become popular, it's Igbo. Why Igbo land? Why must it be Ramson Nouah? Can't why not on the a director from Igbo speaking area? Because at least that is our if something happened to Igbo people. Someone else should not be telling us how it happened. Nobody outside should. It's we that should be able to direct it. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is this film that's acted by this man, it is not. I'm not comfortable with short. I will speak for myself. I'm not comfortable with this. Ramsey Nouah should go and act Yoruba films. I think that man is from Yoruba. He's not an Igbo guy. He should focus on his own tribe. Ramsey Nouah should focus on his own tribe and tell us more history about their own place. Tell us about history. Tell us of history of their own place. Don't come to my all I'm telling us wars and telling us about Igbo land. What do you know about it? It's history, this and that. I know some people say it's, after all, it's what happened in history. And all. Let it not. Why must it be him? Yes, especially when it's Nigeria. It is even preferable to an Igbo person directs it, brings in the right Igbo people, the right people to, do the film and not to act the film. So there's no one films I'm not comfortable. You don't be surprised you will see some distortion in this film. You will see some distortion. I won't be surprised if you see some of this distortion in this film. Please, some of you may not understand, but that's the best thing. As soon as you hands off from this film, I know that some people may not agree with me, but if you are, if only if you understand what I'm talking about, I wish you understand. Thank you. See you next time.